Lero pa Nyasa VoiceBox olemekezeka Atupele Muluzi amene ndi mtsogoleri wa chipani cha United Democratic Front UDF akunena kuti dziko la Malawi ndi dziko lodalitsika kwambiri, tili ndi zinthu kuno zambirimbiri zimene titha kupititsa kunja ndi kukagulitsa, koma kuti zinthu zimenezizi zitipindulire ife Amalawi tiyenera kuti tisankhe kapena kuti tiyambe kugwiritsa ntchito njira zamakono zoyendetsera chuma chathu monga cryptocurrency komanso futures market. Iwo akunena kuti ayi dziko la Dubai linagwiritsa ntchito njira zamakono kugulitsa mafuta awo ndi kupeza ndalama zimene ndithu anatenga ndi kupangira zinthu zosiyanasiyana ku dziko kwako. Ndipo Atupele Muluzi akukhulupirira kuti ife ngati Amalawi titati tapanga njira ngati imeneyoyo kutsatira zimene anapanga anthu aku Dubai ndi kupanga zokuti zinthu zathu tizigulitse ndalamazo ndi kuzika mu thumba lapadera limene likhoza matenga nkumakapanga invest kwina kwache nkumabweretsa ndalama kuno ku Malawi zikhoza kutithandiza ngati dziko. Ndeti khali modzi kuti tiamvere amenewa kuti kuda kuti chani Atupele Muluzi pa nkhani imeneyi ndipo akamaliza chonda Malawi muyike maganizo anu in the comment section below pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox.
I would like to thank all of you for all your powerful responses to my Facebook post yesterday. Let me highlight something. Dubai was able to leverage its future projection of the sale of oil by going on the market, on the futures market, to raise resources and to create a sovereign wealth fund, which was then used to invest in its infrastructure. With the combination of a leadership, credible leadership and vision, Dubai was able to transform its economy. I believe that Malawi can do the same. We are blessed with a number of mining assets that are worth trillions of dollars. For example, rare earth products like rutile, rare earth, and others that are yet to be discovered. We also have agricultural products that can be developed for exports. We also have green areas where we can get and take advantage of carbon credits. We also have a population, a youthful population, that can be a very good source of labor and a market. We also have other very advantageous resources such as water. 20% of our country is fresh water. We are able now, through a combination of traditional economics and digital economy, to be able to use blockchain to float our assets on the different exchanges globally through cryptocurrency, to then establish a sovereign wealth fund or a future generation fund, very similar to how Dubai used its oil to raise funds on the futures market. With the resources that can be generated, those resources can be used for the investment in our infrastructure. First-class infrastructure in tourism, in agriculture, and also investments in mining. This is a conversation that I've started by assembling a team of global experts in this field that a year ago came to Malawi to meet a number of our national leaders, our National Planning Commission, our academia, and other stakeholders for us to start looking at diversifying Malawi's economy into a digital economy. I do believe that it is possible within our lifetime to shorten the possibility of Malawi reaching the level of Dubai. I believe it is possible for us to do it faster because of modern technologies. I'd like us to go into 2025 with renewed hope to finding solutions in terms of how we can diversify our economy. We will be launching our manifesto sometime in January, but I would like us to know that it is possible with the use